Saia LTL Freight Review: Honest User Experience and Service Breakdown. When it comes to shipping and logistics, reliability can make or break your business. Saia LTL Freight is one of the major players in U.S. freight transportation, but how well does it actually perform? Here's my honest experience. Saia specializes in less than truckload shipping, meaning it handles smaller freight shipments that don't require a full truck. From the first interaction, I noticed their booking system is easy to use, both online and via customer support. Most people get this wrong. They assume smaller shipments mean slower delivery. But with Saia, transit times are surprisingly fast. Their network covers most of the US and tracking updates are detailed and accurate. In terms of pricing, Saia sits in the middle, not the cheapest, but competitive for the level of reliability you get. Their pickup and delivery staff are professional, and my shipments arrived on time and in great condition. The biggest highlight is customer service. Whenever I had questions, support reps were quick to respond, and claims for minor damages were processed efficiently. That kind of consistency is rare in freight logistics. If there's one downside, it's that Saia's coverage in remote regions isn't as extensive as some national giants. But for most commercial routes, it performs exceptionally well. In short, Saia LTL Freight combines speed, professionalism, and strong communication. If you're a business looking for dependable regional or national freight shipping, Saia is a partner you can trust.